dear kids, how are you? Welcome to my new video. First we will learn color's name. Brown color, violet color, pink color, blue color, orange color, sky blue color, red color, green color, yellow color. Now we are going to learn alphabets. Let's start to learn alphabets. Alphabet A for article, A for avocado. B for ball, B for bat. C for candy, C for chocolate. D for door, D for dress. E for election. E for elephant, E for eagle. F for fan, F for fish. G for glass, G for grass. H for hat, H for house. I for insects, I for igloo. J for jam, J for jelly. K for king, K for kite. L for lemon, L for lychee. M for minister, M for museum. N for net, N for nose. O for octopus, O for orange. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for question. R for rain, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sunflower. T for taxi, T for tomato. U for universe, U for union. V for volcano, V for valley. W for wind, W for widow. X for Xerox, X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo, Y for yogurt. Z for zinc, Z for zero. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.